class, welcome to Lesson 8. Lesson 8 is going to be a little different because we only have one subject to cover this week instead of two. This is not quite, we're just past the midpoint in the course, but it's a good time to have a slightly slower week. It allows you a little bit more time to work on your website. And hopefully if you've got other classes and are coming off midterms, it can be a stressful time as we really get into the second half. So I hope this is a simpler week for you and allows you time to work on other things as needed. So we're going to talk about ad groups, ads and ad groups. Besides that, it's going to be a typical week, weekly reflection, bi-weekly survey, but it's just the one subject and discussion board. So we're going to get into this. Ad groups, ads and ad groups. For this, there's 6 steps, and it's really based on the fact that we have the ads, the campaign started, and so you should be set for a traditional ad, an ad group, and the focus this week is to improve that. And what you'll learn here is a skill you will use over and over again, or should use over and over again to have a successful AdWords campaign. You've really got to be constantly improving these ads. And so this will give you the principles of how to write successful text ads, write great text ads. There's readings and video, and then you're going to use that to go ahead and improve your the ads you have written. And that's the long and the short of it. What you want to focus on here are the principles you'll learn that you can apply again and again over time to improve your Google Ads. What we will be looking for in the quiz is for you to write an ad, but make sure you include all the elements in that ad. Meaning you've got a title, a call to action, and a URL. So make sure those 3 things are incorporated when you go into your quiz. And that will be it. Weekly reflection, bi-weekly survey. Please reach out if you have questions about your ads, if you'd like some help improving them or bouncing some ideas off of me to give you some ideas on what you can do a little bit better.